true. Only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to a new, clear blue, unconditional skies. Dry the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such enduring pain that keeps in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for tooting cane into your own vein? What a shame, you shooting aim for someone